already.
Oh, this sucks, bro.
Yeah. This is great. We wanted this.
Let's do it.
We wanted this.
Let's do it.
I know, dude. You gotta get warm.
Can I toss this into your bag?
Right here.
Oh. Woo, okay.
Put them here.
All right. I'm ready, dude. I'm ready, Bryce.
Yeah?
I'm ready. All right. Hand it off to me.
With timing. Right. Use your timer. 10 minutes. Yeah, because you said
Just set a 10-minute timer, then give it to me.
Let's do it.
10 minutes, okay. Yep. Okay.
Let's take it. Guys, now tell us what we are doing here.
It's another one of Tita's challenges. It's a terrible idea because it's winter.
100 pounds. You know, we want to do something that we are going to remember, right?
And it's raining, so we're
Yeah.
gonna remember this. Yeah, when you're back in Kenya, you're gonna be like, man, those Americans were crazy.
We are doing this for the friendship, you know. Sometimes life changes, you know, a lot of changes happen in our lives, and we have to do something that will keep our friendship strong.
Yeah.
Taylor, how do you feel?
I feel the friendship.
Yeah?
The bond of friendship is keeping him going. It does look like you're gonna lose it off the back.
This is one of those fitness challenges. Whew.
Okay, so be mindful of cars and
Yeah.
dump trucks.
Yes. And it's raining. It's cold. What's the temperature right now?
Oh, right now, let's see, it's probably 40, 45?
45?
48 maybe?
Hey, can you let me know when we're at 5 minutes?
Yes, I can.
Whew.
What's the temperature right now at the top of Roxy?
If we do this again together, we should climb all the way to the top. The peak.
What's the temperature?
At the
40?
At the peak, it's 34. So right where we are, it's probably
38?
40,
40.
45, 42 maybe.
42. Yeah. Guys, that's cold for a Kenyan. That's very cold.
Well, 32 is like 1 degree.
Yeah.
I mean, 34 is like 1 Celsius.
Yeah. It's like 1 Celsius, right?
32 is 0. So
32. Yeah, 32 is 0. 34 is 1.
34, 35.
35. Yeah, that's 1 Celsius. Yeah, this is brutal. We want to go around this mountain.
There we go.
All the way.
So
3 miles,
struggling.
3 miles walk.
Okay.
You're going to do the push-ups, right?
I don't
Yes!
know about that one.
20 push-ups.
On the
Once you put it down before the next person, push-ups.
No, because we're not. Because this has to be handed off, so he could do his push-ups.
Oh, okay.
You
As
can
the other
stand
person
still,
is going. Okay.
And the other person can walk.
Okay.
By the way, it's 6:30 right now.
This is how I grew up in the village. When you are going to take, like, you know, corn maize to the posho meal,
Yeah.
you have to carry it this way.
But do you put it on your head or you put
It on your head or like your shoulders. Men, shoulders, women on the head.
Don't sing it. Okay, careful. There's a car coming.
Let's go this side.
Which side left?
Yeah. Brutal.
Although it's still.
Dude, watching you go does not make me want to do this at all. Really?
This guy is so tired right now. Hello.
Morning. Yeah, Tita, you got to get us all GoPros so we can
We can have this, yeah?
have multiple
Yeah.
camera angles.
So maybe most of the brands that are watching outside there, if you're selling some camera gears or like, you know, the gears that we can use for filming, send them to us because we are going to make use of them, right?
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah,
I like
We're
that.
gonna make a fur coat out of that. Yeah, you're under a minute 30.
Yep, keep going.
It's Tyler, your back is looking fucking crazy.
No, not my head.
Don't do it, dude. I felt like I had a whiplash for like.
I don't want to lose any height at all. Bro, how do you feel?
Right now, actually, I like this.
Yeah?
Opposite shoulder, cross the arm. Feels good.
Nice.
Yes. Got the edge of the bag right here. So
Yeah.
grip.
Yeah, so I'll do an interview with you, Ashita. So probably around minute 4 is when I started feeling fatigue.
Yeah.
It's when probably around minute 6 is when I started strapping in to deal with the rest of it.
Yeah.
So,
but the 20 push-ups were easy for you, right?
yeah, they were pretty easy. I'll tell you what I feel right now
Yeah.
is my traps are feeling pretty fatigued. They're definitely gonna be sore tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. We are going to feel
And
this.
my neck.
Yeah. How do your legs feel?
My legs, they were already sore coming into this,
Okay.
but they feel pretty good. They don't really feel like jello yet,
Yeah.
but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna hypothesize that when you ask me this after my next run,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be feeling pretty good. They're gonna be
Okay.
feeling pretty.
I will see you
Fatigued.
tomorrow, so I will ask you about it. See this guy, he's very strong.
Yeah, he's walking fast.
He's a Viking. Look at his back, he's a Viking. Bro, you're doing great. Look at the calves.
Look at the calves.
Oh wow. Okay, Bryce, you got this. Guys, we are still on with the challenge. This is where the challenge now starts. Look at this, guys. Top of the mountain. It's sliding. And we have to do it. How many minutes left?
Let's see. 4.
Keep
Holy
going.
shit, dude. Right here's purple.
Oh yeah.
Okay, look at that. Look at that.
Bro, are we watching your heart rate? I want to make sure you don't pass out. Don't pass out on us.
I ain't gonna pass out. If I was gonna, I fucking would have already.
Yeah?
That's fucking hardcore.
Look at the top of the mountain, guys. This is where we are going to compare see
You did it, dude.
anything.
And you did slip.
I know.
That was the most impressive part, probably.
Yeah?
Yeah, that trail going uphill, that was slippery.
Yeah, that was crazy. Can we do it twice?
Twice. Yeah,
Price.
100 likes and
Price. Fair nights?
yeah, next time you see us, we're gonna be doing it while it's snowing.
Yes, I would love that. Maybe we should come with a 250. First, you got this. Yeah?
Good. We're
Did you start the timer?
Yes. What was the hardest part? Heart rate control, probably. Once I got up that steep hill, I probably get into 190, 195 beats per minute range. It's just hard to recover your heart rate while something's fucking compressing you. So what was the easiest part? Easiest part was talking shit. All right, how do your traps feel in your neck? Believe it or not, my muscles are doing pretty all right. It's my fingertips. That's the reason why I changed positions in the first place. My fingertips on my left hand are completely numb. It's difficult to grab onto. Other than that, it's amazing. It's amazing.
I didn't feel the rain as much because that thing's blocking you.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Nice. Hey, G, does that bag nice and warm?
It's warm, but I feel like it's getting more water. There's a lot of rain like right now, and it keeps absorbing more water, so it keeps getting heavy every time. But I'm going to carry it on one shoulder for 5 minutes, switch it to the next one for another 5. The only part that sucks is it doesn't have like somewhere to hold, so my fingers are getting numb.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's the hardest part.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise, just keep going.
No, the rest is pretty nice.
Yeah, I think actually my entire round might be downhill after Atita's.
I think you went on a mountain, so for you it was a small part. Let's go, guys.
This is where you put your game face on.
Yeah.
Come on, Atita.
You're a warrior.
You're feeling the struggle now.
Yes.
Come on, show the Kisi tribe what you're made of.
This sucks, bro, but we have to do it.
Let's hear your war cry.
I signed up for it. Let's go.
Let's go. You're a Kenyan man. You went through your ceremony.
Let's do it. You got this.
20 seconds. Easy. This is easy for you. Four, three, two, one. Nice. Easy.
That was brutal, guys. That's good. My shoulders, bro. I don't know how I am going to work.
This makes you look so fucking good. Tyler, tell me your innermost thoughts right now.
I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna do this. Quote of the ages. I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna show this fucking trail who's boss.
Yeah, you better take ownership of this.
Who the fuck's doing this right now?
No one, bro.
Yeah, none of you.
Us.
And we're out here doing it.
Yeah, you know who was invited and who didn't show up?
Who didn't show up?
If I use her name on camera, I'm gonna be calling her out.
Call them out. Call them out. Who was invited and didn't show up?
Tyler, who's invited and didn't show up?
Brittany.
Oh, Brittany. Ah!
It's because she's not
What
hard.
was the excuse?
She's not hard.
Brittany, what was the excuse? She's not been here. Let's see if she will be able to do the 10 miles walk with 100 pounds. Sucks.
Yeah. Would have been hard.
Yeah.
She doesn't know what it's like to be a hard man, making other men hard.
Yeah, bro, if you don't do this, as a man, I feel like for you to feel like a man, sometimes you have to do hard stuff. Things that are going to challenge your mindset. Things that are going to put you in a situation where you feel like, in a position where you feel like you just want to give up, but you keep going. You know?
That's the whole point.
that's what it means to be a man. I just feel like life is so hard. It gives us a lot of hard challenges, and if you cannot put yourself to go through the pain,
Downhill,
like your mindset or your mentality to go through that pain, then you won't be able to do hard stuff. So yeah, how many minutes do you have left?
5:30.
Look at how it is here.
Oh my god, it's fucking cold on this side.
Show that, like, it's cold. Bro,
Windy.
this makes
cold.
me feel like even if I go anywhere, I will still think about this, like this challenge. Sitting down and eating on the restaurant and all that, it will make, it's good memories and all that, but for you to remember that kind of memory, you have to do something hard. You have to do a challenge, which makes it even more harder. Can we walk on the left side or right side?
This side is fine.
Okay.
You want to get him for the gram?
Yes.
You have anything to say for Instagram Reels? Shit.
F you.
Come on, that's not how a Kisu warrior talks. What the?
I'm filtering. I'm trying to filter.
You don't want to get banned. You don't want to get demonetized. I got
F
you.
yes.
Sorry, we can have Tyler film some voiceovers.
Tyler?
You're doing so good, Tyler. You're doing so good. 3:30 left. I don't know if I'm ready for round 2 yet. Fuck.
I'm ready. Don't choke because we're going to reduce the distance.
Huh?
Don't choke because we don't want you to reduce the distance. We want you to spend more time holding it instead of reducing the distance.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Oh, we are going to go round 2.
Yeah, we'll just go until you get your 3rd. So we'll do, depending on how far we are.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Because we still have like another.
Even if it means coming back again, that's okay. I'm good with that.
Yeah, well, we can put in my car and drive you guys all the way to the hill if you want. Sleep state, I guess.
Yeah, guys, we are done. We just did it. Tyler, what do you have to say?
It was pretty good.
Make it harder next time.
Yeah, next time we're going to the peak, and we're gonna get a killer view for you guys.
Okay.
And we might even do it on a snowy day too. So be ready for that. We'll have snowshoes and a backpack and a tent.
Perfect. Right.
Hey, you know what? When you don't have an option but to keep going, all of your problems fade away. I think more people could use some challenge in their life, kind of get out of their head, enjoy the experience that they got while they have it.
That's amazing. That was really cool. I think what I have to say is, like, as a man, as a human being, or as a woman, as someone who is outside there, sometimes you have to push yourself and go through the pain to kind of, you know, feel how it feels to be in that position. Don't be comfortable all the time, you know. So this was one of the best experiences that I've had with these two brothers, and I can't wait again to do this again. Guys, if you're watching this video, give this video a thumbs up and let's know what you would like to see next. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
See you later, Tita Fit Fam.